Thinking about going open concept? Open floor plans are one of the hottest trends in modern home design. But are they really the right choice for you? Let's break down the benefits and the drawbacks. First up, the benefits. 1. Space and light. Removing walls opens up the room, making your home feel bigger and brighter. Natural light flows freely and everything feels more connected. 2. Great for entertaining. Whether it's a party or a casual get-together, open spaces keep guests connected. No more cooking in isolation while everyone else chats in the next room. 3. Family-friendly layout. Parents love open floor plans because it's easier to keep an eye on kids from the kitchen or living area. It encourages more interaction and shared time together. Flexibility. You can rearrange furniture and rezone the space to fit your needs, like a hybrid living, dining, and office area. It's all about adaptability. But now, the drawbacks. Number 1. Noise. No walls means no sound barriers. One person watching TV while another is on a Zoom call, not ideal. Number 2. Less privacy. Sometimes you just want your own space. Open plans eliminate those quiet, separate corners to relax or focus. Heating and cooling challenges. Big open areas can be harder and more expensive to heat or cool evenly. Clutter is always visible. In an open floor plan, there's nowhere to hide the mess. Everything is in sight all the time. So, what's the verdict? Open floor plans are great for connection, space, and flow, but they come with trade-offs. Know your lifestyle, your habits, and your priorities. Like this video if you love home design and subscribe for more remodeling tips.